The Matriarch's Verse Experience 2023 was the vision of poet and media practitioner Apiorkor. Day one of the event was a workshop designed to help students improve their skills as writers.
The workshop is titled The Beauty of Writing. So what we are going to be doing here this morning is we are going to be engaging in writing exercises, okay? I'm going to give you people a phrase or what we'll term a prompt. And we'll give ourselves time, pretty much like 5 minutes, and you people would write in your notepad. And then after that, we would hear from some of you. The first thing I want us to do is what is called an acrostic poem. The bluffo is big, forget about it. What it means is we are going to take your name, your first name. What's your name? Inshira. So Inshira is going to take the name Inshira, and she is going to take the first letter. No, not the first letter. The letters in Inshira, and is going to write a poem.
Do you know the vibe is so cool and calm yet never slow?
Great festival so magical. Golden Gates with Africa, center of the world.
Center of the world.
How many of you were able to finish, just by show of hands? Those who were able to finish. Okay. Good. So I will start off I'll pick one from each of the institutions.
Daring to be the best academic intelligentsia. Owning my own dream in my hands, whether to be successful or not. Round and round, I go back and forth. Sometimes I am confused, but I still move. Ought to be the best in the class. Trying my best to do well, even though there are ups and downs. Hurriedly, learning and exploring to acquire more knowledge. Yet still, people keep pushing me down, but I refuse to. Dorothy.
No slave, the king, the god, the boss. As we hail him, my power came into reality. Never failing, never tripping, never running, always calm. Always found in my head, thinking about the crown. Je n'en firm. As we walk through this life every day, gazing, not knowing what to say. I know in my mind there will be success. One day, my success starts from today. Nana.
Fear, can you hear me roar? Raging with determination against the boisterous winds. Never backing out of any fight as I call for strength from ancient shores. I am the inspiration behind ambition. Shout the name Francis and feel the bliss. Francis. Wow.